Today we're going to be changing out the turn signal flasher switch on our 1978 silver anniversary Corvette. First thing you need to do is go buy one. And what we did was we went to AutoZone and this is what we bought. It's an EL12 and that's the part for 78 Corvette silver anniversary. Probably works for the same things for just a 78 Corvette too. We're going to go underneath the dash here and it should be right up here. There we go. As you can see, this looks like the original. I know this is part of the original. This looks like a replacement. Okay, so got some prongs over here, and basically I'm just going to wiggle it out. New one now. And put our new one in like this, and that should take care of it. Let's give it a try. Now that we have it, we're just going to put it back up here. There we go. That's how you change out your flasher on your 1978 Corvette. We knew it was the flasher because we tried the emergency flashers right here and they were both working. So our turn signals wouldn't work, and therefore we knew it wasn't the flasher button, the emergency flash, but it was actually the turn signal one. And that's called a flasher. I know, it's kind of confusing. But anyway, that's how you do it. And if this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.